So, you want to be a race car driver? I've always heard wanting to be a race car driver is like wanting to be a rock star or an astronaut. That it's a pipe dream, and it's most likely not going to happen. I remember when I was younger, I'd search online for the cheapest cars that could still run, and count up every dollar that could just have the bare minimum to compete. I think there are others like me. I think there are other people that have that insatiable itch to drive that just are simply unable to scratch. So right now, I'm a 23-year-old college student. I have no competitive racing experience. I have very little track experience, and I'm chasing a dream without any easy way to chase it. We're starting from square one, so let's figure it out. What I want to do with this channel is lay out a pathway to motorsports. Whether you're looking to be the next driver on the podium, branch out into the motorsports community, or to see some of the crazy stuff my crew and I get into.
Yeah, we'll all float on, alright, already we'll all float on.
So, who ran from the cops?
This girl did. She did. She ran from the cops.
So how'd that go? Ran fast.
I think there's something here for everyone. We're going to go to some awesome events, showcase really crazy builds, and hang out with the biggest names in motorsport.
Good to meet you, man. Good to see you again.
What's up, man? You too.
Good to see you.
All right, we had another victim. So, have you played Grand Tour game yet?
I tried it a little bit, and it's going to be a little rough. You want to make this interesting?
Oh!
How about this? If I beat all three of y'all, I get to ride along in the Torch Sally next time you come to Texas.
Okay. And wait, what do I get?
I'll
if I beat?
Buy a round of beer.
All right.
Let's do it. All right, man.
Junior!
There it is. Jackson takes.
That was awesome. What's the downfall of this? You get to go drifting in Texas? And you
Oh!
get to ride along?
Yeah.
And there's drinks
Hell
after
yeah.
that.
All right.
That's not a bad day.
Yes!
If I'm ever in Texas.
That is what I'm talking about.
There's always an endless number of excuses of why something can't be done. It's too hard, too expensive, or too old. You only need one reason to keep going, and that is every day is another day closer to drinking champagne out of trophies. So you want to be a race car driver? Well, buckle up.